3.
The top, and there's tree 1 and 2 at the top and cutting. Matthew Gurr at 2, Brian Wagner at 1. So the block on top, the action of the cutting is 325mm in diameter, 13 inches in the old scale. It's the largest of the blocks in the tree felling event, and this is the World Championship. Position 1, Brian Wagner coming down, Matthew Gurr closely following behind him. They'll prepare their boards and get set to come up the back. You see tree 4 down there, Josh Adams, he's come down. The other action working on their, completing their top scarf. Lindsay Hewitt down, as is the action working their way up the second side. So Brian Wagner at 1 completes his tree board into the top board and on the back of his block. So Brian's first to the top there, can he maintain that lead and bring that block off first? There goes Matthew Gurr from Tasmania up on top as well, cutting at tree 2. Give them a cheer, ladies and gentlemen, as we race to the finish. All those that are cutting for a place in the final of the World Championship. Position 1, Brian Wagner. Young Blake Marshall at the end at 3-7. Matthew Gurr finished at 3-2 from Tasmania. So the first 4 competitors will go in. They will earn their spot in the final of this World Championship event. Young Blake working in the back there, trying to bring the last of that block off. And Lindsay Hewitt completed at 3-3. Closely followed by young Blake standing in at 3-7. And Campbell Newman cutting at 3-6 from Queensland. Nathan Waterfield visiting from the USA, cutting down there at 3-8. Nathan completed